Just got your HP Smart Tank 7301 printer and want to connect it to Wi-Fi? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to connect your printer using the HP Smart app. The setup only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. First, turn on your printer and make sure it's ready. On the printer's control panel, press and hold the Information I button for about 3 seconds until all the buttons begin flashing. This puts the printer into setup mode. Next, press and hold the Wi-Fi and cancel buttons together until the power and Wi-Fi lights start flashing. This means your printer is ready to connect to a wireless network. Now, take your smartphone and download the HP Smart app if you haven't installed it yet. Open the app and sign in with your HP account or create a new one if needed. Once you're signed in, tap Add Printer on the home screen. Select Set up a new printer. When you see HP Smart Tank 7300 series, tap it to begin. The app will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Wait a few seconds while it searches. When your Wi-Fi network appears, select it, enter the Wi-Fi password carefully and tap Continue. The app will now ask you to press the Information I button on your printer. Go to your printer and press the Information button once. Wait while the printer connects to your Wi-Fi network. When the connection is complete, return to the HP Smart app and tap Continue. Review the printing services information, then tap Accept All and Continue. If the app asks you to install paper or ink, follow the on-screen instructions and tap Done when finished. Your HP Smart Tank 7301 star will now appear at the top of the HP Smart app. That means your printer is successfully connected to Wi-Fi and is ready for wireless printing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Print Smart Help and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.